Right now, while you're watching this, an AI called Claude is quietly doing the jobs that used to pay people $60, $80, even $100,000 a year. And most people have absolutely no idea it's happening. They're going to wake up one morning, open their laptop, and find out their entire career was replaced by a tool that costs $20 a month. And here's the part that should genuinely scare you. This isn't a prediction for the future. It's already happening today in 2026. And the people losing these jobs never saw it coming. Now, most people believe AI will only replace boring, repetitive work like data entry. That's the common belief, and it's exactly why so many people feel safe. But the truth is the opposite. Claude is now coming for skilled, creative, high-paying jobs that everyone thought were 100% safe. The jobs people spent years and thousands of dollars in college to get. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 7 jobs Claude AI is already killing, ranked by how fast they're disappearing. And I'm going to be honest with you, one of these might be yours, but stay till the end, because I'm not just going to scare you. I'm going to show you exactly how to flip this around and use the same AI to make money instead of losing it. Because the people who adapt won't just survive this, they'll get rich from it. So let's get into it. Let's start with a job that's vanishing faster than almost anyone expected: customer support. And I'm starting here because the numbers are genuinely shocking. This used to be one of the most reliable jobs on Earth, because every single company on the planet needs someone to answer customer questions, handle complaints, and solve problems. Millions of people made a living doing exactly this. But here's what changed. Claude can now read a customer's message, understand the emotion behind it, pull up the account details, and write a warm, perfect reply in under 2 seconds, 24 hours a day, in every language, without ever getting tired, sick, or frustrated. And companies noticed immediately, because one AI can replace an entire department of 50 support agents while costing less than a single person's monthly salary. The math is brutal, and businesses don't hesitate. They're cutting support teams right now to save money. But here's the part most people miss, and the reason I rank this so high. It's not just the boring tickets anymore. Claude now handles the complicated, emotional conversations too. The angry customers, the refund disputes, the delicate situations that everyone assumed only a human could manage. And that single shift is what makes this job so vulnerable. But as dangerous as this one is, the next job on the list pays 3 times more, and it's disappearing just as fast. Job number 2, and honestly the one being hit the hardest right now, writers. Copywriters, content writers, and bloggers. I'm putting this near the top because the destruction here is happening at a scale nobody is talking about. For decades, writing was a safe creative career. Businesses paid writers good money to create blog posts, sales pages, emails, product descriptions, and ad copy. A skilled copywriter could charge hundreds, even thousands of dollars for a single sales page. But now, a business owner opens Claude, types one sentence describing what they need, and gets a polished, persuasive, ready-to-publish piece in under a minute, for free. And the quality is so good that most readers genuinely cannot tell a human didn't write it. Think about what that means. A company that used to pay a writer $3,000 a month now does the same work in an afternoon for almost nothing. And the reason this job is collapsing faster than any other is simple. Writing was always about producing words at scale, and producing words at scale is exactly what AI does best. But here's the twist that most writers refuse to accept. The ones who survive aren't fighting the AI. They're using it to produce 10 times more work and charging for strategy instead of typing. And that exact mindset is the key to surviving this entire list. Which brings us to the next job that's quietly disappearing. Job number 3, graphic designers. And this one hits hard because design always felt like the ultimate safe creative skill. You needed talent, years of practice, and expensive software to make professional logos, social media graphics, thumbnails, and marketing materials. Businesses happily paid designers good money because they simply couldn't do it themselves. But that wall just collapsed. AI image tools combined with Claude can now generate stunning, professional designs from a simple text description in seconds. You describe what you want, the colors, the mood, the style, and out comes a polished design that would have cost $200 and taken a designer half a day. And it doesn't stop at one. You can generate 50 versions in the time it takes to make a coffee. Now here's the important part. This doesn't mean every designer is doomed. The ones losing work are the ones who only knew how to execute, take an order, and produce a graphic. But the designers who understand brand strategy, who know why a design works, and can direct AI to create exactly the right thing, those people are actually thriving. The lesson is the same one building through this entire video. Execution is being automated, but direction and taste are more valuable than ever. And that lesson matters even more for the next job. Job number 4, translators and interpreters. And this is one of the saddest examples because it took people years to master a second or third language. Becoming a professional translator meant decades of study, cultural understanding, and deep skill. It was a respected, well-paid career, but Claude now translates between dozens of languages instantly, and not just word for word. It understands context, tone, slang, humor, and cultural nuance. The exact things that used to separate a human translator from a basic machine. A business that needed documents translated into 10 languages used to hire a whole team and wait days. Now they paste the text into Claude and get all 10 versions in seconds, perfectly localized. And here's what makes this especially brutal. The quality gap that used to protect human translators has almost completely closed. For everyday business translation, most companies simply don't see the need to pay a human anymore. The only translators surviving are the ones working in extremely specialized fields like legal contracts and medical documents, where a single mistake is catastrophic. Everywhere else, the job is fading fast. And the next job proves that even technical careers aren't safe. Job number 5, and this one shocks everybody: junior programmers and coders. For years, people were told the same advice: learn to code and you'll never be unemployed. Coding was supposed to be the safest, most future-proof career on the planet. Parents pushed their kids into it. People spent thousands on boot camps. But here's the reality in 2026. Claude can write, fix, and explain code better and faster than most junior developers. You describe the app or feature you want in plain English, and Claude writes the entire thing, debugs it, and even teaches you how it works. Tasks that used to take a junior coder a full week now happen in an afternoon. And companies have noticed they're hiring fewer entry-level programmers because one experienced developer using Claude can now do the work of an entire junior team. Now, I want to be fair, this does not mean coding is dead. Skilled senior engineers who design complex systems are more valuable than ever. But the bottom rung of the ladder, the simple, repetitive coding jobs that beginners used to start with, that rung is disappearing. And that creates a real problem for anyone trying to break in. But it also creates a massive opportunity if you know how to position yourself, which I'll explain at the end. First, 2 more jobs you'd never expect. Job number 6. Data analysts. And this one matters because it was one of the highest paying safe jobs of the last decade. Companies are drowning in data, sales numbers, customer behavior, website traffic, and they paid analysts very well to make sense of it all, turning messy spreadsheets into clear insights and reports. It required real skill, and it paid extremely well. But Claude changed the entire game. You can now hand it a giant messy spreadsheet, ask a simple question in plain English like, what are my top 3 problems and what should I do about them? And in seconds, it analyzes everything, spots the patterns, and writes a clear report a CEO can actually understand. No formulas, no complex software, no waiting days for results. The work that used to take an analyst a week now takes a single sentence and a few seconds. And because business owners can now do this themselves, the demand for entry and mid-level analysts is dropping fast. The survivors are the ones who don't just report the data, but make high-level strategic decisions based on it. Once again, the pattern repeats. The machine does the analysis, the human provides the judgment. And that brings us to the 7th and final job, the one that surprises people the most. Job number 7, and this is the one nobody saw coming. Online tutors, teachers, and course creators. This felt completely safe because surely learning needs a human touch. People paid good money for tutors to explain difficult subjects, and creators built entire businesses selling online courses, but Claude became the most patient, knowledgeable tutor on earth, available 24 hours a day for the price of a coffee. A student stuck on math at 2 in the morning no longer needs to book a tutor and wait. They ask Claude, and it explains the concept 10 different ways until it clicks, adjusting to exactly how that student learns. And it knows almost every subject at once: history, science, languages, business, coding, all of it. And here's what makes this the biggest one on the list. It doesn't just threaten tutors, it threatens the entire expensive education industry. Why pay thousands for a course when an AI can teach you the same thing interactively for almost nothing? But here's where everything flips, because this exact threat is also the single biggest opportunity on this whole list. And that's what I want to show you right now. So here's the truth that ties this entire video together. Every single one of these jobs is being killed for the same reason. The execution, the actual doing of the task, is now free and instant. But notice what survived in every single example. The humans who give direction, strategy, taste, and judgment didn't lose, they got more powerful. And that is the entire secret to not being replaced. You stop being the person who does the task and you become the person who directs the AI that does the task. Let me make this practical. Instead of being a writer who gets replaced, you use Claude to produce content for 10 clients at once and you sell the results. Instead of being a designer taking orders, you use AI to launch your own brand. Instead of fearing the tutor problem, you use Claude to build and sell your own digital products and courses faster than ever. The people getting rich in 2026 aren't the ones with the most skills. They're the ones who learn to point AI at a problem and package the solution. The tool that's killing these jobs is the exact same tool that can build you an income that doesn't depend on a boss at all. And the best part? You can start today with almost no money. While everyone else is panicking, you can be building. So let's quickly recap everything, because seeing it all together is what makes it hit. Claude AI is already killing customer support agents because it handles every conversation instantly. It's crushing writers and copywriters because it produces perfect content for free. It's replacing graphic designers because it generates professional designs in seconds. It's wiping out translators because it understands every language with full context. It's taking over junior programming because it writes and fixes code faster than beginners. It's eliminating data analysts because it turns messy data into clear answers in one sentence. And it's disrupting tutors and course creators because it's the most patient teacher on earth available around the clock. 7 jobs, all being replaced right now, not in some distant future, today. But here's the one thing I need you to remember if you forget everything else. In every single case, the people who got replaced were doing the task, and the people who won were directing the tool. That is the whole game. The AI revolution isn't here to end you, it's here to hand you leverage that used to belong only to big companies. So the real question isn't, are you next? The real question is, are you going to keep doing tasks a machine can do? Or are you going to step up and become the one who commands the machine? 2 years from now, you'll either be telling people how you got ahead of this, or wishing you'd started the day you watched this video. So don't just watch and forget. If this opened your eyes, smash that like button because it genuinely pushes this to more people who need the warning. Subscribe because I show you exactly how to win with AI every single week. And drop a comment telling me which job shocked you the most. I read every single one. I'll see you in the next one. Let's get it.